Hi, my name is Haith Johnson, and welcome to our YouTube La Host Hair Beauty channel. I've been in the industry now for over 33 years, and with that, I've learned a ton of information, tons of helpful hints that'll help you whenever you get a challenge when it comes to wigs, weaves, extensions, anything to weave or not to weave, hair glue or should you not hair glue, what's the difference between frontals and closures. You'll learn amazing videos, get amazing tips. We'll add so much more information that you want to know about the beauty industry and what you're going to learn. You're going to learn about cutting, coloring, wig care, all things hair tips, even my secrets, my top secrets. Shh, but you gotta subscribe. But listen, I promise you, I will be posting every single week. So what you wanna do is you wanna hit that bell right over there, push subscribe, push like, and leave me a comment. Why should you leave me a comment? Because I wanna connect with you. Me and you, we're going places. So why don't you leave me a comment down below. Let me know what it is you wanna learn. What tips do you wanna learn about? From coloring, cutting, styling, it doesn't matter. This is the place you want to be. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.